Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a makeup tutorial on how to do a contour. Very low budget contouring, since contouring to a very low budget contour idea or hacks, or let's say this video is about makeup hack or makeup techniques like that. And so yeah, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell. And also please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram at Darisnativar, and Facebook Darisnativar. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. But before we get into the main point of this video, I'm going to apply my base, the foundation and the concealer. So yeah. And after I did my base or my foundation, next I'm going to apply concealer.
Now, it's about this. Now we're going to start our contour. First, you need your big angle brush for the here. Your small angle brush for the nose contour. Your beauty blender, and this kabuki bullet brush, and this powder brush. Any big brushes like this, just like this, with this kind of brushes. And for the materials, you need your contouring palette. This is just optional. And this one, here the two of these, you can use as your contour. And ito na nga, for the very low budget contour, you don't need to buy or spend a lot of money to buy this cosmetics, Morphe, Anastasia translucent powder or loose powder, because Jensen's Baby Blossoms powder capture that. So this will set your face, or putting area the highlight points of your face like that. So let's jump up to the picture.
So I will be using this Caroline contour stick. I got only this for 99 pesos. You can watch my vlog. So you need to find the bone here, and then here. So if you have a bad time locating or finding the bone, just bend the middle in this hair, your hair. Hanapin nyo itong hair nito. Just align the contour. So you also put the contour here, and use your beauty blender to blend the contour. Use your Johnson Wave powder to set your face. So if you're wondering why Johnson's very powder, because after you because after you apply your liquid base or liquidy base, you're going to set this to avoid becoming oily. This will make your look matte finish like that, and it's just going to blend naman. It will going to blend naman sa face. Kaya you don't need anymore to buy translucent powder. It's very fancy if you're just starting doing makeup. Now use your angle brush. you can now use your contouring palette to contour your nose. Just do a tapping motion. Then just repeat it, putting another layer of powder. So that's it. I'm going to blend. As you can see, I already blended my face, and I just only use this as my main powder. I didn't apply anything, but I use this to emphasize more the contour, to give more highlights to contour my contour. So yeah, for me, the formulation of this, since it's white, you know, it will blend to your skin tone or to your foundation. So I highly recommend this. So see this back. And now you can now start your kill eye highlights, because since this is white dipa, it gives additional highlights to your T-zone. So that's why this very low budget, and this contour is very low budget, since mura lang po, diba? So that's it. I'm going to that's it for today's video. Hope I helped you with your makeup journey, and I hope this video is very helpful. And I think this video is not kind of really informative, but I am grateful that I have shared to you my tips or my life makeup hacks, and this very low budget. And if you like this video and want to see more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts: Instagram at and Facebook at. And that's it for today's vlog. Bye bye. See you on the next video.